Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to get your current location in one line of code. Let's dive into our tutorial. Here I already create a new project using a storyboard and I design two labels and I run the project right now. Now I am going to create one new class like this is a location manager class. Here I am importing a core location, then I am creating a class I named already location manager. This is a NS object class. Here I am creating the shared instance public static let shared equal to location manager. Then I am creating a private function for private variable for location manager equal to, this is nothing but a CL location manager. Here I am creating a let location manager equal to CL location manager, and I am setting my properties are accuracy for desired accuracy is equal to KCLS location accuracy best, and location manager dot distance filter is equal to 10 meter. Then I am returning the location manager. This is what I have already for a predefined I have implemented this because of we don't need to change our location manager settings, so that only. Why I am creating this singleton class means we don't the good practice is we have to implement get the core location in a single place at a single time only, because of if you create a function to get a core location in every view control means the every start location update function will be called means the multi time of location will be get, so that this will be more complicated and also it makes some problem while you go while your project will be go running successfully after 1 or 2 years you can find that problem like that. So that only I am creating a one single class file, and I am creating a location manager inside the class, and I will use this class function to wherever I need. Likewise I am creating a function like a start location updater. Here I am getting a core location manager dot delegate is equal to self, and location manager dot request when in use, and I am extension of location manager as a CL location manager delegate. Likewise here I am going to get a location dit updated location manager dit update location. Yeah, here we using this delegate because of we will be get our current location from here. The system will be give the array of locations, so that but we need only our single location to handle in our project, so that only I am creating God let first location is equal to core locations dot first, or else it will be a return. Then first location dot coordinates, this coordinate we have to check CL location coordinate 2D is invalid or not. Is valid, we will be checked like this. Then this will be written a bool value, so we can check at any if condition. Then we will be get our current location using this first location dot coordinates. Likewise, we will be print first location here. Before that, we will be create a one struct class to pass our values to this core location manager class to wherever we need. So that I am creating a location address, and I creating a var value variable as a location as a CL location. Then where this is a city as a string, and where country as a string. Likewise, whatever we need we can be create it here, and also address as a string. Likewise, I am created here. I am going to create a init function for this location address. First of all, we need a location only, so that I am creating a init with location. Then I am assigning the value to location. It's enough. And we have to create a one typalize for a handler, so that I am creating a handler as a likewise. Then I am using this handler to in my project using the where complete location updated. Likewise, I will be create a variable location updated as like handler. It's enough. Now we use our location updated completion handler to our function, so that completed as a location updated completion handler, and no need. Likewise, we use our handler, that's all. Now it's okay. Then we assign our completion handler to our location updater. Location updated is equal to completed. Now when our current location was fetched, if let updated equal to location updated is a valid thing, you will be written a updated. Likewise, the function was created successfully. Now I am going to implement our location manager into our view controller. Before that, we need to set a plist properties. Likewise, I am creating a privacy of location usage description, and a privacy of location when in use description. Here I am using my project name needs your current location to show on app. Likewise, I am giving a description for that. Then I am setting I run a build. Now I am going to the view controller and I implement the location manager dot shared dot start location updater. Here the location was implemented. Then I am getting the current location like is updated. We have to pass our current location to some other variable, so that I am creating a where current location is equal to location address. Here I am saving my location to my current location is equal to init of first location. This is nothing but we are getting the current location and saving in some other variable. Again I am going to the view controller and getting my current location by shared dot current location. Likewise I have created. Now I get my let current location is equal to, then I am printing this two variable into the label using a coordinates of location dot coordinate, and also the same thing for a coordinate dot we will be get as a we will check before that in a if condition. So coordinate equal to like this, because of we don't need to do the same lines of code, current location dot coordinate like that, so that only I set this like that. Then I think this is we don't need to in a if condition, so that I am setting here and getting the latitude, and the same thing for longitude. Then we set as a if self for we are using inside of the condition completion kernel, so that only then this is no need. Now I am running the project. Something was happened, so I am getting I'm creating another thing, location manager dot share dot, or else we can be call a function by this, like show location as thing, then show my location function calling this enough. Then I am set as a if condition. Why the error was came means something, there is a no need to return any thing inside of the completion handler, so that only now I running the project. Something was happened in our project because of the error was showing the detail was missed, so that I am creating another one variable and setting as a 1.0. Now I am going to the core location manager and I am setting my location manager to start location manager. Likewise I have missed the a value. Then start location updater, start location updating location. This function we if we didn't run this function means we can't able to get our current location, so that I am implemented this line and I run my project. Now the current location was getting, I am kill my project and delete it again. For your we have to get my current location with some permission, user permission. So that now the current location loading based on we are getting the current location by the free way of drive. By setting this, you can click the simulator and go to the debug location. Then you can choose if you need some custom location, means you can set it like this, or else you can be set a city run on a bicycle ride, free ride way like ways. If means the current location is updating successfully. I think this video will be very helpful to you because of the location manager is very useful to our app implementation. This is a base of the locator project. The after coming in the videos, I'm going to implement the map to show my current location in my application, and setting the pinpoint and dragging the pinpoint and drawing the route like this. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel and support my channel to I have to create more videos and share my knowledge to you, and also like my Facebook page and follow on my WordPress blog. Thank you so much.